Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're unboxing a subscription box, and this is from Latest and Beauty. So if you want to see what I chose in this month Latest and Beauty, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, we're unboxing Latest and Beauty December 2021. I think I chose this item on the first week of the month. And if you are new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £12.95 a month plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95. But if you are a subscriber for more than 3 months, the delivery will be free, so it will cost you only £12.95. And after 3 months, you will become a member pro and you will get a free delivery, but also a discount on their limited edition boxes. So yeah, let's open this box. When you open it, it looks like this. It says Latest and Beauty, My Beauty Discoveries, and then you have all these shredded paper. So I decided to choose on the first week of this month because I really wanted the lipstick that they have as a Hall of Fame for this month, but also I did my lineups of the products will be available this month, and to be honest, there wasn't a lot of products that I really wanted to try, so I decided to just choose on the first week of the month. So yeah, let's start. Let's see what I choose. The first thing I choose, as I said, I chose the Hall of Fame for this month, which is from Uoma. I don't know, I'm really sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Beauty, and it's the Black Magic Hypnotic Impact High Shine Lipstick. It has 3.5 grams, so I think this is a full size. The packaging is so cute. Here is the packaging, and it's very heavy, the packaging. And this is the shade. Oh, really gorgeous lipstick. It has gold glitter. It's really gorgeous. I hope you can see it, lovelies. It's really gorgeous, and I think this is a full size. It's quite dark, the shade, but we'll see. I'll try this one and then I'll let you know. And as always, lovelies, Latest in Beauty, they don't include the leaflet, but the price will be up here as always, and the packaging is in magnet, lovelies. It feels luxury, really nice one. And then the other product that I choose is this from Bite Beauty. This is the Upswing Full Volume Mascara with Berry Wax Mascara Volume Total. It has 5.5 ml. I think this is just a travel size, but I heard really good reviews about this brand. I never tried anything from this brand, so I really wanted to try. I won't open it. The applicator will be here because I'm trying new mascara at the moment too. So yes, I'll wait to open this one. The other product that I choose, makeup product, is this from COLLAB, and this is the La Vie Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. It's really a cute packaging. Here we go. And these are neutral shades, and it's very compact, so it's really perfect to bring with you everywhere. So here we go. It's really nice, small product, and as I said, it's all nude shade. You have two matte here, which is a really dark brown matte, like perfect for transition shade. You have a gold here, and you have like a kind of highlighting shade, white highlighting shade in here. Very gorgeous shade. And then the other product that I choose is this from Dr. Pau Pau Scrub and Nourish Lip Scrub and our original balm. Dr. Pau Pau, lovelies, we receive a lot in other subscription boxes. Here we go. But Dr. Pau Pau products really good. They are underrated one because we receive a lot in subscription boxes and previous subscription boxes, but I love using them. So first one, here you have the scrub, and the other part you have the actual lip balm, which is I really enjoy using it. So I choose this one too. I choose this one. I really heard good reviews about this item, but I never had the chance to get it. And this is from Vegan by Happy Skin. It's a Korean brand. This is the original skin essence toner. This is the natural ingredients, cruelty free and vegan product. So here we go. I think this is just a travel size. It has 100 ml. But yes, as I said, Korean brands, I really enjoy using them. So I will give this one a go, and then let's see. And then I choose also from Florena. This is the cleansing bar with fermented jasmine and fermented angelica oil, I think. So here we go. Let's smell it. Oh, it smells really nice. It has kind of soft smell. Smells like soap. It doesn't have that jasmine smell, like florally strong scent. No, it's like a subtle scent. So yes, it looks like this inside. It's soap, and it says our natural cleansing bar is enriched with fermented jasmine and fermented angelica oil. It cleanses thoroughly yet gently, removing dirt and impurities to leave your skin feeling soft and refreshed. Wet hands with water, then work the bar between your palms and create a lather. Apply generously to the face and wash off gently enough for daily use, suitable for all skin type. So yes, I choose this one. The last product that I choose is this from Mio, and this is the Illuminating Sugar Scrub Solar Power Body Scrub. There we go. And let's see inside. Oh, smells nice. It has the citrus smell. Really love the scent. It looks like it has glitter, gold glitter inside, but we'll see. So yes, that's the product that I choose. But this month, lovely, you will have your freebie as always, and you will have a sample, perfume sample. And this is from Sunset Hour, Broome, Western Australia. This is the Goldfield and Banks, Australia. Lovely packaging. And here is this inside packaging. Smells nice, kind of strong scent from my type. It has Italian mandarin, desert, peach Australia, pear accord as raspberry, jasmine sambac absolute, ginger Nigeria, pink pepper Madagascar, sandalwood Australia, vanilla Madagascar, cashmere wood, and benzoin Laos. I think those are the scent available. I'm not sure, but this one I have the Sunset Hour, and it says as a blazing sun dips into the Indian Ocean, the scent of fragrant native fruit pervades the languorous evening breeze. A heavenly cocktail of citrus and spicy delights. How it's giving to a deliciously gourmand and sensuous flora heart. Best served at Sunset Hour. Yeah, kind of strong scent, so I will not use this one. So yes, also those are my choices for this month, and for sure, lovelies, I will use every single product. That's the good thing about Latest in Beauty, that you can choose the products that you want to try. And yeah, that's it. What do you think of this month choices, lovely? What did you choose? Let me know in the comment below. So that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget also to click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Take care and stay safe. Bye.